All right, we got this amazing adjustable weight bench, all sorts of different exercises you can do with this. I have it laying flat right now, but if you want to go decline, you can go as far down as that. If you want to go maybe a slight incline there, a little bit more, or you could even go all the way up to shoulder press, which you can go there, or even there. I'd probably do it. My shoulder press, I like to have it a little bit of an incline. So just for example, here's a shoulder press you could do where you're just going like that. Also, another thing I just want to show you, an added benefit of this thing, these can be adjusted for resistance. So you can make them looser or tighter depending on what you want to do. But you know, these are tight. So if I wanted to go up like that, wanted to go further up, let's just do it. Let's see if I can just do this really quick. You're gonna bring this out, pull it out, go to the other side. Bring this in here like that. Pull it out. Something like that. Tighten that back up. And now it might not be the same on both sides, but you know, just for the purposes of this video, now you can do this. And you could do that with any of the exercises. Also, you know, you could just curls. You could do, you could do decline press. Let's just do flat. I'll just show you flat. Flat press right here. Here we go. You could do flies. And you could do incline flies. You can do decline flies. You could also has these places for your legs if you want to lock your legs in. And you know, you could do back. Let's just like this. Yeah, you could do abs. You could do you know, like crunches or sit-ups with your legs locked in there. What else? You could even do, let's do this. Yeah, that's probably fine. Come in here like this. You could do rows like that. You could also do, this would hit your back. All sorts of stuff you can do with this thing. So I mean, the value of just getting this, amazing. Highly recommend it.